guys, happy holidays. All right, I'm a little festive. Do you guys see me? You see me? Do you see me? Yes. Okay, but anyway, very quickly, I'm not going to interrupt this video too much, but there's three really important things that I think that you guys should do before you even begin to invest in any kind of crypto, right? And the first thing is one, know how much you're going to invest, stick to it. Best advice I ever heard from a fellow YouTuber named Crypto Casey. You guys should actually check out her channel. A lot of good advice over there as well. But yeah, I mean, it's a very exciting time to be a crypto investor, no doubt, right? So it's easy to kind of lose your head, maybe get a little bit greedy, but you never want to invest more than what it is that you would be comfortable with possibly losing. And I hate to put it that way, but it's true. It is still like the market, right? Market goes up, it goes down. It just does. Oh, you guys saw that? Magic trick. Okay, but anyway, focus. Number two, you guys want to make sure that any device you use, be it a laptop, cell phone, desktop, is free and clear of any possible malware, right? Which means that you want to make sure you're really working with a clean slate before you put a lot of important, sensitive information, crypto information, attach that to that device. So you want to make sure you're working with a nice clean slate there. 3, you want to make sure that you invest in a really good hardware wallet. What is a hardware wallet? If you do not know, please check out my video below. But I'll just say it very quickly, very similar to a flash drive. That hardware wallet will remove your crypto. I shouldn't say remove, but it will move your crypto from the internet and put it onto that little device where you keep it safe, right? You are in control of it. 3, or are we on 4? Forgive me, too much eggnog. But anyway, and 4, you also want to make sure that you are investing in a good notebook, journal, something that you could actually physically write down your logins, your key phrases and things, because you don't want to store those things on those electronic devices. You don't want to store that important information on your desktop, laptop, computer, cell phone, none of that. So you want to make sure that you have a good journal, hardware wallet, head on straight, you know how much it is that you want to invest in, right? And 4, keep checking it out. Keep watching this video. Thanks. Bye.